Alright guys, I wanted to review the Polk Signature Elite ES35 because I could not find a single video about it on YouTube. So we'll see how it goes. No editing, I'm just going to pause and yeah, this will just be one long shot. Here we go. Alright, box is open. This is what you see. Got an owner's manual. Looks like there's the speaker. You guys might be wondering why I ordered this. Well, I just upgraded my TV from a 75 inch to an 85 inch. And I've got about 4 inches to work with right here. So it's either replace the whole media thing that my wife picked out and liked. I already drilled new holes and went up as high as I could, but if you see right there, you can see a power outlet and the little like cable management, whatever the heck, is literally touching the mount. So that's as high as I could go with the TV. Other than that, I would have had to put the mount like another, I don't know, 5-6 inches higher, and the TV would just look awkward that high up. So I had to buy a low profile speaker. Let's get this out of the box. All right, here's the speaker. Looks pretty good. Flip it around, show you guys. Looks like my banana clips will go in the back just fine. So you guys can see it. So this was on sale for I think 350 bucks on Amazon. Looks clean. I had a Polk center channel speaker before that was sitting under my 75 inch, but it was way too tall to fit. I don't even remember what it was. I'm not too much of an audio guy. I'm just hoping that this sounds decent. As you guys can see, I've got wall speakers that came with the house. I've opened them. I'm sure they're not good. They're some brand I've never heard of called like, I honestly can't remember. There's like 2 mentions of them on AVS forum, but anyways, we'll get back to this. Everything looks clean. The design's really nice. No complaints there. Let's go get it installed. So it looks like I need to remove these little things. Sorry, this is hard to do while also trying to film. There we go, got that. Yes, I'm using a steak knife. No, that's not the smartest way to do this. Oh, that's gone. And now we've exposed that, so cool. Roast me in the comments for using a steak knife. Alright, so banana clips into the red, into the black. Alright, so I'm going to do a quick calibration with the little microphone. Actually, I need to put that higher, but I'll do that real quick. so there you guys go. That's my pro review, along with a couple sound clips for you guys to listen to. I think it looks quite nice, but it's just a little too distracting without the cover on. So I think I'm going to leave the cover on. I want to show you guys again one more time close up what it actually looks like. This review, not really a review, whatever. This little video on the Signature Elite 35 will probably help like 3 people, but it's better than what's out there. There's literally nothing. So I don't know how this compares to the ES35. I just know that basically everything I could see about the ES35 said it was a shit speaker. So I don't know if this is worth the extra $50 or not. But pretty much everybody on AVS forum ragged on the S35. So hopefully this is better. I don't know. It sounds fine to me. It sounds very full. It matched up with my wall speakers just fine once I ran the little microphone auto setup on the Onkyo. And like I said, I don't know, that's some cheap like $350 receiver I bought like 3 years ago, 2.5 years ago, something like that. I don't know. Sounds good to me. I'm not sad. I'm not an audiophile or anything, so I can't tell you. But if you're just a regular consumer like me who needs a slim speaker, and you guys could see, like, it is pretty much exactly as tall as I could go. I could go maybe like 1/4 of an inch taller. But yeah, it's fine for me. It'll work fine for you if you need a slim speaker. Sounds good. I mean, maybe if you're an audiophile, you would rather get a smaller TV so you can fit your giant ass speaker underneath. But yeah, I'm happy with it.